Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dylan Jarris and I'm an Etsy shop owner of about 7 years. I've sold $1.5 million in revenue on the platform, over $1 million in profit, and I also sell on Amazon and Shopify. My entire background is corporate e-commerce and I worked for companies like Zappos and Zulily, and now I teach Etsy sellers just like you how to scale to multi-six figures with my program Multi-Six Figure Etsy Blueprint and my one-on-one coaching. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be doing a coaching call with one of my students. So you're going to see a little bit behind the scenes of what coaching with me is like. We're going to dive into some of the things she's facing in her business, and maybe you'll learn some things that will help you in your business as well. So tell me how the last couple months have been. What is it, April 15th? How's everything been?
Okay, so I have been getting more sales, which is super exciting, but it's very sporadic. Like, I'll get nothing for a while, and then in one day, I'll get like 5 sales. There's a product, oh, it's so frustrating. So this is a print-on-demand product that is super popular with people, but the one color everyone wants went out of stock after someone ordered it.
Oh.
So I've looked into trying to replace it with other options, and no one else does it with that color.
So your ship date, how far out is that one on normal in-stock colors?
I think it's 25 days.
Do they have any other styles that are in the same color, like maybe non-corduroy?
I actually did. They came out with new corduroy hats, and they ship a lot faster, but they don't have the green that everyone wants. So I'm I keep offering, hey, you can do the camel color, you can do the blue, and they're like, I'll just wait for the green. They want that one. So
maybe replacing that with something else that's in a similar demand, maybe. Have you ever looked at what else they're favoriting to see what else they might be interested in?
I haven't done that with the recent people. That's a good reminder.
So right now in your shop, what is working the best for you? Because it looks like a completely different assortment.
So I decided to keep some of the best print on demand and get rid of the ones that were dead weight, and then focus more on the boxes. And I think there's a lot of potential there.
Yeah.
I haven't seen traction with it yet, so I'm not sure what needs to happen.
So what if you did an example one where it's super, super elaborate, over the top, the most expensive gift box you have, basically putting in all the items, obviously things that go together, to make it be okay, the picture is a value of something that is over $100. That way, at least you're going to capture more people with the listing photo.
Yeah, so you think the lifestyle photo is probably better than the studio photo. Maybe I could have an example box with that item in as the featured image.
I think sometimes, especially if you don't have as many sales or you don't have a high velocity of orders, sometimes it can be easier to make it just an easy one listing purchase. You know what I would sell them as is favors. So bachelorette party favor. I've seen people selling these fidget toys as party favors for kids. Everything you have here could be sold on its own as a supply category item. Do you know roughly what kind of a margin you're building into your pricing?
Yeah, so I've been doing it almost at cost.
Okay.
A little bit over, just to build the sales.
I think maybe it's coming down to it just being too many choices, too much thinking.
Yeah.
If you look at your 30-day stats, what is your views and then what is your visits? Because we want at least half of our views turning into visits.
768 views, 680 visits.
Oh my gosh. So views is they have the opportunity to click on you. Visits is they actually clicked when they saw the opportunity to click. So that means most people, when they see your listing, they click on it. We aim for 50%. So half of the views into visits. So that's huge.
And that's almost 100%.
What's getting the most views out of all your listings?
The gift box.
Basically, what you see getting the highest views, I would be doing more of that right now. With your banner, by the way, as time goes on, it just keeps getting better and better and better. I would probably update it to include some of the gift box items.
And so far, just from you glancing over the listings, you think the SEO is decent?
Your SEO looks good. You're really focused on the purpose more than the description of that itself, which is exactly right on. It seems to be that your SEO is driving the majority of your traffic right now. I would take a look at what is getting the most interest. Maybe take a look at some more trending fonts. If you look up Canva font duo, that's a really good indication of what fonts look good together, from actual graphic design. Canva font duo, Blogger font duo, that'll give you the fonts. That way you don't have to scroll through and figure this out yourself.
Yeah. Oh, the other thing, tips on making the Instagram look more cohesive.
Yes. I would actually update your stories highlight covers to an actual product, which isn't hard to do.
Oh,
And
okay.
then I might also consider updating your logo fonts.
Okay.
So with the claw clips, I would definitely follow some
Mm-hmm.
of these big claw clip and scrunchie brands because they're all over TikTok. Be inspired by some of the way they do content. Just set up your phone from the back and just show how to use it, right? I had a friend who created a claw clip brand and that's all she sells. She has like 4 sizes. Yeah, all she does for her content is she just is putting her hair up with the clip over and over to music. And it's like people love that because a lot of times they don't know how to use it. So you could start showing
Yeah.
different ways to style those. But also I would add in a smaller size where it's like 3 things. So maybe have one kind of feature item and then 2 filler things. Take those images straight down, use the lighter colored paper. Instead of the add-ons, I would repackage those listings as party favors or bridesmaid gift, bachelorette party favor, wedding party favor.
Oh, nice. Oh, I'm so excited. I think this will help.
Yeah, but I think you're really onto something with the gift boxes. And then this weekend, I would frame up one of them as a teacher appreciation gift.
Yeah, I think those are super great steps, and I'll take into consideration the social media tips as well. I think that will help.
I'll be keeping an eye on everything because summer gifting,
Yeah,
it's going to be a little different.
that's a big one. Birthdays are all year round, so that'd be easy.
Graduation gift, raffle gift, silent
Yeah.
auction item. I would do all of those.
Oh, the descriptions, do you think they look too confusing or are they straightforward enough?
You have really good SEO, a lot of keywords here. You can shorten all of your links with Bitly. Have you been shortening your links?
Yeah, so I did that, but for some reason Etsy did not like that. Like you couldn't click on it once it was published if it wasn't an Etsy link.
We had one student experience that, but then she shifted to a different browser. It was like Chrome. Maybe she was on Chrome and then she shifted to Safari. Should shorten it for you. So just try it on different browsers.
Okay.
You're doing like site merchandising well in your
Mm-hmm.
The one thing you could add is some more emojis to break things up a bit. I'm going to send you a link. We have a student who does like the best descriptions, a link to one of her descriptions so you can see how she does that. But it just breaks it down really simply.
Sweet.
And it's easy to read on mobile.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I really appreciate it.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome, Kaylee. I'll be watching your shop, okay?
Yeah, thank you. Take care.
Bye. So I hope you enjoyed listening into a little bit of that coaching call with one of my students. If you need help in your shop, if you want me to dive into your shop, your listings, help you figure out exactly what to fix and what to prioritize, let me know. Just reach out. I do coaching with a couple hundred Etsy sellers right now, and I'd love to see if I can help you. And if you like videos like this, please subscribe and we will do more of these coaching call videos on the channel. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.